Let us take one more example. If z is equals to sine of xy, then show that 1 by z into dou 2 z by dou x square minus dou 2 z by dou y square is equals to x square minus y square. Here given function is z is equals to sine of xy. Let us find dou z by dou x. It is equals to dou by dou x of z. Z is sine xy. We are differentiating sine xy partially with respect to x. As I told you, while differentiating partially with respect to x, we have to treat other variables as constant. So here derivative of sine xy is again cos xy into derivative of xy. Derivative of xy with respect to x means y is constant, and constant as it is, derivative of x is 1. So it is cos xy into y. Let us differentiate this z with respect to x again. This is dou z by dou x is equals to y cos y. Differentiating again dou z by dou x partially with respect to x. So it is equals to dou 2z by dou x square. It is equals to dou by dou z of y cos y. Here again this y is constant. No need to apply product rule here. Here y is constant. Y as it is. Derivative of cos y. Cos xy. Derivative of cos is again we know minus sine xy into derivative of xy. As I told you, derivative of xy partially with respect to x means only x is variable. You have to keep y constant as it is. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So this is dou 2z by dou x square. It is equals to, after simplification you will get y into y is y square minus y square sin xy. Take this one as the question number 1. Let us take dou z by dou y is equals to dou by dou y of sin xy. Here we are differentiating this partially with respect to y. First you differentiate with respect to function, that is derivative of sin xy is cos xy, then derivative of xy. It is a composite function. You have to differentiate this once again. Derivative of xy partially with respect to y. Here you just concentrate on this. Derivative of xy partially with respect to y means y is variable here in this case. So x is constant, keep x as it is. Derivative of y with respect to y becomes 1. Let us differentiate this once again partially with respect to y. So derivative of dou by dou y of dou z by dou y is dou 2z by dou y square is equals to dou by dou y of this x into cos y. It is equals to, again here x is constant, you have to keep x as it is. Derivative of cos xy is minus sin xy into again derivative of xy. Derivative of xy with respect to y. X constant, x as it is, derivative of y is 1. So it is equals to x is minus x square sin xy. Take this one as equation number 2. So we want to find here, we have to find this 1 by z into dou z by dou x square minus dou z by dou y square. Let us write this one as it is. It is consider this LHS. Consider LHS is equals to 1 by z into dou 2z by dou x square minus dou 2z by dou y square. 1 by z, that is 1 by sin xy as it is. You have to write, you have to substitute the values of dou 2z by dou x square and dou 2z by dou y square from equations 1 and 2 here. So that is in this bracket sin xy is common. Let us take sin xy common and divide this by sin xy as it is. Here in bracket minus y square plus x square remains, and sin xy get cancelled. It is equals to simply what remains? It is what is remaining? X square minus y square. This is only our RHS. So thus what we have here, 1 by z into dou 2z by dou x square minus dou 2z by dou y square is equals to, we got x square minus y square. Let us take one more example. So this I will give you in the notes. You just go through this and solve yourself, because if I solve all these questions it will take lots of time. So first you have to solve this. If you are not understanding anything, then you can ask me. Let us take one more example. This is different, so I will solve this one. Here if x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta, then prove this. These 4 questions. First one is dou r by dou x whole square plus dou r by dou y whole square is equals to 1, and similarly second, third and fourth. So this again I will give you notes and you can get the solution here. So first, here it is given that x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. So first you have to squaring and adding these two equations. X square plus y square, you will get r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Take r square common, sin square plus cos square remains, it is equals to 1. Thus we have x square plus y square equals to r square, or r is equals to under root of x square plus y square. Take this x as equation 1, y as equation 2 and this r as equation 3. And let us divide these two. Equation 2 by equation 1, that is y by x is equals to r sin theta divided by r cos theta. R get cancel, it is equals to tan theta. So we have tan theta is equals to y by x, or theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Now we got here r and theta. What we want to find? We want to find dou r by dou x whole square plus dou r by dou y whole square. Let us consider dou r by dou x. It is equals to dou by dou x of under root of x square plus y square, because this is the value of r. Let us differentiate this partially with respect to x. As we know, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So in place of x, what we have? X square plus y square. So to differentiate this x square plus y square, once again partially with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of y square with respect to x partially means it is 0. Only we have 2x. This 2 get cancelled. We have only x divided by under root of x square plus y square. Take this one as equation number 5. Again, let us differentiating this equation 3 partially with respect to y. That is dou r by dou y. Differentiating equation 3 partially with respect to y. Then we have here equation 3 is r, and r is equals to under root of x square plus y square. So that is dou r by dou y is equals to dou by dou y of under root of x square plus y square. It is equals to, we know the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So it is 1 divided by 2 into under root of x square plus y square into derivative of partial derivative of x square plus y square with respect to y is 2y, because derivative of x square is 0. 0 plus 2y is 2y. So it is equals to y divided by under root of x square plus y square. Take this one as equation number 6. Now we have to find here, we have to find, first question is dou r by dou x whole square plus dou r by dou y whole square. So in equation this one, in equation 5 we got the value of dou r by dou x, and in equation 6 we got dou r by dou y. Let us squaring and adding equations 5 and 6. We have dou r by dou x whole square plus dou r by dou y whole square is equals to, here you have to square RHS also, x square divided by x square plus y square, plus equation 6 is y square divided by x square plus y square. Taking LCM x square plus y square, adding the numerators. So it is also x square plus y square only. Both are same, they get cancelled, it is equals to 1. So this is the proof of this example. That is dou r by dou x whole square plus dou r by dou y whole square is equals to 1. Next, let us take last one, that is finding this fourth question. Dou 2 theta by dou x square plus dou 2 theta by dou y square is equals to 0. This one, let us prove this one, and you yourself solve these two questions. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Let us prove last one, dou 2 theta by dou x square plus dou 2 theta by dou y square. Here we have done the value of theta. In equation 4, theta is tan inverse y by x. Let us consider this one. So dou theta by dou x is equals to dou by dou x of theta. Theta is tan inverse y by x. So it is equals to 1 divided by, derivative of tan inverse x or tan inverse theta is 1 divided by 1 plus theta square. So it is 1 divided by 1 plus y by x whole square, because in place of this tan inverse, here we have y by x. So it is y by x whole square into partial derivative of y by x because it is a composite function. So it is equals to, simplify here, in a denominator it is 1 plus y square by x square, take LCM x square, cross multiply, it is x square plus y square into partial derivative of y by x. Again y is constant, you keep this one as it is. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this implies dou theta by dou x is equals to minus y divided by x square plus y square. So again let us differentiating this partially with respect to x, treating y as constant here. So dou to theta by dou x square is equals to, here we have minus sign, you just keep this one as it is, and dou by dou x of y divided by x square plus y square. Since we are differentiating with respect to x partially, y is constant, so you keep this y as it is, this minus y as it is. Again derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Here in place of x we have x square plus y square, so it's whole square into derivative of x square plus y square is 2x. Again y is constant, so its derivative is 0. So dou to theta by dou x square is equals to, let us multiply these two, minus into minus plus 2xy divided by x square plus y square, because we know here x square plus y square is denoted by r square. So it is r square whole square is r raised to 4. Take this one as equation number 1. Let us differentiate this dou theta by dou y. It is equals to dou by dou y of theta. Theta is tan inverse y by x. So again it is same. Derivative of tan inverse theta is 1 divided by 1 plus theta square. In place of theta we have here not theta, you take any variable here. It is like a composite function. Tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, that is y by x whole square into dou by dou y of y by x. Again simplify this. Here take LCM as x square and cross multiply. It is 1 divided by x square plus y square whole divided by x square into partial derivative of y by x. Here x is constant, so you keep this one as it is. 1 by x is constant. Derivative of y with respect to y is 1, so it is 1 by x. Here x get cancelled and take this x in the numerator. It becomes x divided by x square plus y square. Again let us differentiating this partially with respect to y. Dou theta by dou y square is equals to dou by dou y of this one x divided by x square plus y square. It is equals to, again here we are differentiating partially with respect to y. X is constant, this x as it is. Derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Here in place of y we have x square plus y square whole square into derivative of x square plus y square with respect to y is 2y. So it is equals to minus 2xy divided by, again x square plus y square is r square whole square is r raised to 4. Take this one as equation number 2. Let us add equations 1 and 2. The LHS of equation 1 and 2 is, equation 1 LHS is root 2 theta by dou x square, and LHS of equation 2 is root 2 theta by dou y square, is equals to, add their RHS. So it is 2xy divided by r raised to 4, equation 1, and equation 2 is minus 2xy divided by r raised to 4, and they get cancelled. It is equals to 0.